Hello, my YouTube friends. Thanks for stopping by. On the Super Affiliate Network Bootcamp number 6, I did mention to you guys I was going to start leaving the Super Affiliate Networks alone. I was going to just have that information on there, and then I would be making how to make money videos separately. So here's one of them, okay? So let's get started. Make $100 per day with these 10 websites. The first one is Upworks. This is a website for freelancers. You can use this website to make money and or hire someone for your business. To make money, you'll need to sign up as a freelancer. People will come to this site to hire people. The next one is ClickBank. Take a look at all different categories of different products. The example would be to go to health and fitness. You would sort it by the most popular. Once you find one, you can promote these as an affiliate. Yes, affiliate. The next one is Flippa. Flippa, you can purchase a website that's already making money on a monthly basis. An example is the Piano Keyboard Review. You can buy this website for $2,000. Now I need you to go to the bottom of the page. A good thing is that this site has been around for 11 years. The net profit is $723 per month. You can figure out how long it will take to start making your money back. This site is making all of its money through Amazon affiliate links. The next one is Shutterstock. This is a website where people go and buy images, videos, and music tracks. People are not allowed to steal images, videos, or music tracks. To be royalty free means you're given the rights to use this media for sound or music. This can be a great source of passive income. If you want to put your media on this site and sell it, you'll be paid if someone purchased something from you. If they purchase the site or what have you, okay? And you can add your content on here as well. The next one is Amazon Kindle Publishing. Absolutely free to sign up. You can write an ebook and put it on Amazon Kindle, or you can source it out through Fiverr or Upworks and have someone to write it for you. Post your book through Kindle Direct Publishing. Your ebook will show up on Amazon Kindle where they buy books. Writing an ebook is a great source of passive income. If you have a product you're trying to sell, putting an ebook on Amazon Kindle is a great way to drive leads and sales to your business. The next one is Fiverr. Find out something that you're good or passionate about and sign up to do just that. The next one is Text Broker. It's writing articles and content. The better you write, the more you'll be paid. And the next one is Amazon Handmade. It's handmade items just like Etsy. The next one is Pinterest. It's a search engine. Say, for instance, you don't have a niche. Go to ClickBank. You know how I told you how to go to ClickBank and go to most popular and find a product, like that. Okay, again, you'll go to ClickBank, pick a product, create pins leading back to your website where you are promoting the product as an affiliate. Pinterest is a way to make money. And the last one is YouTube. All you do is put up videos with good content and you'll get leads and buyers if you're selling something. Now, here's another one. This one pays you to hang out on social media. You can make money on the side. Okay, so you'll go to Google, you'll type in Lionbridge, click on the very first one, which is Global Translation, Localization, and Marketing Services by Lionbridge. Click on Careers, which is at the top. When you click Careers, it will take you to a page that states Work with Lionbridge. You can view career opportunities, which are technical, marketing, sales, finance, operations, HR, and admin, or you can click global crowdsourcing / work at home opportunities. You can click translator and translation agencies, or you can click freelance interpreters. But we want you to click on number 2, which is the work at home. On the next page, you'll see career opportunities. And on this page, you can see that there's different areas throughout the world. You'll want to click on United States of America if this is where you live. And then you'll click on U.S. Ads Evaluator. They are trying to find out if their ads are working online and how other people's ads are working online as well. And this is where you'll come in. If you're on Facebook, there's companies, individuals buying ads on Facebook and showing those ads to everyone on the platform. So is YouTube. You can add ads at the beginning, and those ads are posted there. Google has ads on the very first top of the search results. So if someone types in a keyword, there should be an ad placed at the very top of Google. Now, Lionbridge is looking for someone who is going to be on Facebook and see these ads. They will be reporting back on these different ads that people are posting. They will be evaluating how the ads look, how it looks on your computer, what you thought about the ads, why would you click on it, or why wouldn't you click on it. And this is a part-time hourly income that you can pick up through this company. Now, your only qualification needed is a high school diploma. You need a computer. You need to be living in the United States. You also need to have broadband, an Android or smartphone. You need to have experience with browsers. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or Safari to make it work. You can apply, and when you do, they will call you if you can work for them part-time. We're at the end of this video as well. You can click or copy this link and open it up in a new browser, and then you'll learn about, yes, still the Super Affiliate Network, how you can purchase it for $1, and again, how you can learn all about it. And please don't forget to subscribe or hit the bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. I also need you to like, share, and comment down below. Okay? Thanks again for stopping by, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.